How closed are you? The map says to go on the right side. Cringing so hard. I just want to puke. I'm so angry with myself. Guys, I am going on a new Rover meet and greet, and I'm going to take the bike trail there, and it's a new trail, so I'm very excited to go explore it, especially when I don't have the kids with me. It's just like a 30-minute meet and greet with a potential client, so I'm going to take you guys with me. How closed are you? Looks fine. Okay, so hopefully that was it. It was passable, so hopefully nothing up ahead is closed. Okay, so I think I can be on the left side. The map says to go on the right side. So it's really narrow. So I just finished the meet and greet with the potential new client, and why am I so freaking cringe? It was bad. She was very she was amazing. She's even got a septum ring in, she's got colored hair, she is so cool. And I'm like, this chick is cool, and I am over there cringing so hard. I just want to puke. I'm so angry with myself, and I was like trying to relate with her about like medical issues. Who does that? I know not to do that. I know to be like respectful and not do that. I was just like, dude, I wanted to say, dude, I know I've kind of been there, like I know how frustrating doctors are. That's all I wanted to say, and I just vomited, word vomited. It was horrible. So I'm gonna think about that for the next 2 weeks. And I'm not joking. I'm like nauseous on how upset I am about it. All right, I'm gonna finish this round. This path is kind of janky. It's okay. The bridge is really narrow, which I'm kind of glad that I figured that out by myself and not with the kids. I don't know if the trailer could even go down that bridge narrow pathway. And so yeah, I'm just gonna finish up this ride. It's I think 5 miles one way, so it's not too bad for a potential commute if she even wants to frickin' hire me. Oh God, replaying. It's replaying over and over. I'm sweating bullets. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the ride, and I'm gonna try to shoot some of the film. And if I haven't explained it already, the road closure was unneeded. They were trying to close down the bike path, and it was just a little bit of gravel near that construction zone, and I don't think like it's really needed. But yeah, so I'll take some shots of the rest of the ride. Wish me luck. is probably a very short one. Sorry, I had to stop. Okay, so if I do make this into a video, it's gonna be a very short one, and I'm still cringing about what happened. I know I was thinking she may not even hire me, then I never have to see her again. That's the one plus maybe, but we'll see. I'm supposed to do another dog walk with her next week, I think. Oh my god. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and I love you guys so much. Bye.